In this video, I'll walk you through how to reset all three Sensi thermostat models, the Sensi Lite, the Sensi Touch, and the Sensi ST55, step by step. Let's start with the Sensi Smart Thermostat Lite. Before you begin, make sure your thermostat is powered on and connected to the wall. Now, remember, a factory reset will erase all your data, schedules, and Wi-Fi settings. If you just want to fix a small issue, try restarting it first. But if that doesn't help, here's how to reset it. Press and hold the up arrow, the down arrow, and the menu button. That's the one with the 3 dots, all at the same time. Hold them for about 10 seconds until you see Reset appear on the screen. Once you see that, the thermostat will reset to its factory defaults. Next, let's move to the Sensi Touch thermostat. Start by waking up the screen, then tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. From here, select About Thermostat. At the bottom right corner, you'll see an option that says Factory Reset. Tap that, then confirm by selecting Reset Thermostat. This will completely erase your Wi-Fi network, smart home connections, schedules, and any personal preferences, basically giving you a clean slate just like new. Finally, for the Sensi ST55 thermostat, this one's a bit simpler. The ST55 only supports a soft reset, not a full factory reset. To do this, just remove the batteries, wait about 2 minutes, and then reinsert them. After that, you can reopen your Sensi app and set everything up again from scratch. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more smart home and thermostat guides like this one.